Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can call someone on Messenger on computer. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Messenger on your computer, and once you're over here, choose the, let's say, conversation that you want to call. So let's say I want to call this one, and then what you're gonna do is on your top you'll be having options which says an audio call, start a voice call, or you can start a video call. You can choose any one of them. So I'm going to just pressing on it will start a voice call like this. Allow it, then it will start. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.